Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi le 15 mai. Travaillez à Duolingo 8, c'est pour le 18 mai. Il faut travailler 10 minutes et vous allez être en train de compléter le travail. Again, make sure you are working on your Duolingo assignment for at least 10 minutes, and then you will be able to be done on time for the due date of May 18th. So the rest of your vocab list should be completed today. We're going to review the vocabulary for inviting people, accepting invitations, how to invite people to go places. So complete that part of your vocab list, and then your vocab list should be 100% done. So again, this section is about inviting people. So I'll go through the vocab, I'll take notes on the screen, and then you will copy that into your vocab section. First part, les invitations. Tu vas faire quoi ce week-end? 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 Rien de spécial. Rien de spécial. Pas grand-chose. Pas grand-chose. Tu vas faire quoi ce week-end? Rien de spécial. Pas grand-chose. So if someone says that to you, what are you doing this weekend? And they're saying, not much. You might want to invite them to do something. Here are the ways you would invite them. Les invitations. On par exemple, on va à la plage. On joue au foot. On regarde un film. On va au cinéma. Tu as envie de? Tu as envie de? Tu as envie de? Tu as envie d'aller à la montagne? Tu as envie de jouer au volley? Tu as envie d'aller au parc? On pourrait. On pourrait. On pourrait jouer au basket. On pourrait aller au théâtre. On pourrait aller au musée. Tu veux. Tu veux. Tu veux aller au cinéma? Tu veux aller à la plage? Tu veux aller au lac? Tu veux aller au restaurant? Tu veux jouer aux échecs? Tu viens? Tu viens? Tu viens au cinéma? Tu viens à la plage? Tu viens au lac? Tu viens à l'opéra? Tu viens au théâtre? Tu viens à la montagne? Tu viens à la campagne? Tu viens. So if you get invited and you want to say yes, here are all the ways to say yes to someone. Oui. D'accord. D'accord. Bonne idée. Bonne idée. Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? Si tu veux. Si tu veux. Notice these are all yeses, but some are a little more emphatic than others. So depending on how excited you are, you might want to pick different yeses to the question. Now you might want to say no sometimes to an idea. Non. Non. Désolé, je n'ai pas le temps. Désolé, je n'ai pas le temps. Désolé, je n'ai pas le temps. J'ai trop de choses à faire. J'ai trop de choses à faire. Je suis très occupée. Je suis très occupée. Je suis très occupée. Now you are going to, on a piece of paper, number, I think maybe 8 invitations. I'm going to invite you places, and you are going to write yes or no with a phrase. So either good idea, okay, if you want, why not, if you want to go, and if you don't want to go, I don't have the time, right? I'm too busy, something to say why you can't come or don't want to. Okay, so I'll invite, you write your answer. On va au lac. On va au lac. Tu as envie de faire du vélo? Tu as envie de faire du vélo? On pourrait rester à la maison. On pourrait rester à la maison. Tu veux faire du skate? Tu veux faire du skate? Tu viens à la patinoire? Tu viens à la patinoire? So now that you've accepted an invitation, you're going to need more details, like where you're meeting, who's going, when are you meeting, what time, those kinds of things. So that's what these questions are asking. So I'll go through them, and then we'll practice answering them. Où est-ce qu'on va aller? 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 Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Quand? Quel jour? Quand? Quel jour? Avec qui? Avec qui? Où est-ce qu'on se retrouve? 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 À quelle heure? À quelle heure? Où est-ce qu'on va aller? Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Quand? Quel jour? Avec qui? Où est-ce qu'on se retrouve? À quelle heure? So now you're going to create an invitation where you fill in all that information, right? So the where, what they're doing, who's going, what day, where we're meeting, and at what time. So you're going to create your own invitation. So on the same piece of paper, after you wrote the 1 through 5, yes or no, just write this short little paragraph, or in the same Google Doc, creating an invitation, right? So you're inviting by asking, could we go, pick the place, to, what are we doing, avec, with who, and then you're going to say where you're meeting. On se retrouve, place, and time, just like here. So you're matching it up and writing your own personalized invitation. Let me read mine. On va à la mer pour nager avec mes amis samedi. On se retrouve à la maison à 11h. Okay, when you've completed that, we just have a few more vocab items on your list. I'm going to go over them, and then you're going to write one little sentence for each one just to practice a little bit. So the first item is avoir chaud. So this is an expression to say that you are feeling warm. Avoir chaud. So how you're feeling. Notice in English we would say I am hot, temperature-wise, but in French you say you have hot, right? Which is more like the Spanish, tengo calor. So weather, il fait chaud, right? That's the weather. Il fait chaud. But I'm feeling hot, or he's feeling hot for this matter. Il a chaud. Il a chaud. Il fait chaud. Il a chaud. Il va. So what do you think he's going to do next? What do you think he's going to do next? Il va, so that's the sentence I want you to write on your paper. Il va, and then come up with either a place where he's going or an activity he's going to do next. Il va, and finish that sentence, put it on your paper. Next expression, avoir froid. Avoir froid. Avoir froid. This means, again, you're feeling cold. Il fait froid is the weather, right? The weather, look at the ground, look at the sky. Il fait froid. Il a froid is about how he's feeling. Il a froid. Il va, that's what you're writing on your paper or your Google Doc. What's he going to do next because he's feeling cold? Il va, think of a place he's going or an activity he's going to do. Il va, il fait froid, il a froid, il va. Last expression, avoir sommeil. Avoir sommeil. Right? To feel tired, to be tired. Avoir sommeil. Elle a sommeil. Elle va. Elle a sommeil. Elle va. So because she's feeling tired, she's tired, what is she going to do next? And write that in there. Or where is she going? Elle va. So write those sentences and then you've completed your assignment for today. So again, you have the sentences of response, 5 of those. Then you have your invitation. And then 3 sentences at the end saying what people are going to do next because of how they're feeling. Il va, elle va. And that is your assignment for today. Turn that all in one doc or on a piece of paper with a picture. Voilà. Au revoir.